I don't know, I just feel like this is going to be a lot for my taste buds to handle, alright? What up, y'all? It's Mary. You watching Finaeatthis Quarantine Edition. Alright? We have been under quarantine for about 30 days now, okay? A whole month. And as a foodie, it's very sad because I can't get what I want. I like the mom and pop shops where you can't really find them nowhere else. But today, we kind of found this place. It's called Metro Diner. All right. It's been around since 92. The first one opened in Jacksonville, Florida. And their main staple is chicken and waffles. All right. Chicken and waffles have never been my personal favorite. I have tried it and I don't get it. I don't understand the concept of a waffle with syrup and chicken that's fried. Doesn't make sense to me. Hopefully that can change my mind. Of course, coming to the restaurant to get it, we're going to be nice and prepared with our mask, okay, which I have a do-it-yourself mask that just so happens to match my poncho, okay, so it's cute. Got gloves. Y'all gotta stay safe out here. We need food, okay? I want to be able to get my food. Alright, I got my chicken and waffles. Smells good in there. Of course it's empty, you know, it's sad, but I'm ready to eat, so get up, wait. Alright, y'all, we are finally home. And after seeing it, I'm excited to try everything. Alright. I didn't mention before. Well, I might have on the way there. Not sure. But they were actually on an episode of Diners, Drive-Ins, and Dives. I think that's the name of the show. With, Guy Fieri. I think that's his name. Pretty sure. I'm not saying it right, but it's okay. Y'all know who I'm talking about. But, yeah. And he actually loved it. So, I am really excited to try everything. Alright? Again, we got our chicken and waffles. It got the waffle... The only thing about this quarantine stuff is everything has to be to go and take out, alright? I am a stickler for, I hate when the steam makes your fries and everything that's supposed to be crispy, soggy. So, unfortunately, we got a slightly soggy waffle, but that's not their fault, okay? And it had some confectionate sugar on it, alright? It's a nice golden waffle. It's thick waffle at that. Nice big. Chicken looks good. With this chicken and waffles, alright, I told you it came with sugar, some powdered sugar. This is their strawberry butter that comes. Alright, we're going to put some of that on. And then they also have their own sweet and spicy syrup. Okay, I don't know, I just feel like this is going to be a lot for my taste buds to handle. First things first is we are going to fix our waffle up. Got to put our strawberry butter on it. On top of the already sugar powdered donut. One thing is that I learned is that in Belgium, where the waffle originally comes from, it actually doesn't look like this. It doesn't, it's not poured and topped with a bunch of syrup, especially not sweet and spicy syrup. But we're in America. Do as the Americans do. About to pour. Alright. Just a little bit to fill the holes. Okay. little bit to fill the holes. Like I said, man, I don't know how this works. How are you supposed to eat? How are you supposed to eat chicken and waffles? Like, are you supposed to cut the chicken up a little bit and eat it with a piece of waffle? Or are you supposed to like take a bite of waffle, take a bite of chicken? I don't know, but I'll figure it out. Alright, whatever. Because I can't hear y'all. Y'all will be no help to me by the time you see this. So, I don't know. I guess y'all could tell me in the comments, please. I would like to know how you're supposed to do this. So, because I want to try them together, you know? So, I can't. All right, I'm gonna take a bite. Take a bite. That's how we're gonna try this. All right, I have to make sure that I got some syrup, some strawberry butter. Okay, and I'm finna eat this. Finna try it. Okay. I don't know how I'm supposed to feel. They changed my mind. So, it's really good. I am really surprised right now. I'm really surprised right now. Okay, so the waffle, I know if we could have had it nice and fresh, it would have been like perfectly cooked, you know, perfect crisp on the outside and all that. But the taste is so good. It's light, airy. The strawberry butter is like not too much strawberry, like not too much sweetness. You can't really taste, well, I guess you could taste the powdered sugar a little bit. And then as far as the chicken goes, as you can see, it's got a nice crunch on the outside, perfect golden, skin. It's juicy on the inside. How you want your fried chicken. Yo, I told y'all I wasn't a fan of chicken and waffles. This is really good. Keep this train on the tracks. Coleslaw. I like the more on the, not super sweet, but not like super relishy tangy, you know. I'm finna try it though. Perfect. Metro Diner is getting like A+ across the board right now. Mac and cheese. Next. Finna try this mac and cheese, y'all. But the noodles, nice, tender. The cheese, it's good. Like, it's a perfect amount. Mashed potatoes and gravy. Yes, sir. All around happy with this diner. A+ across the board. During this quarantine time, okay, if you get hungry, like I said, it's the place for breakfast. You can get it all day. You need to try this place. Takeout. They do delivery, Grubhub things. Just check them out. Like, honestly, help them out. We need to support our local businesses out there. This is hard times. If you can, do what you can. Everybody will be okay. If you could just do what you can. Cover yourself. Protect yourself. Protect other people. Alright? I know it's not much, but we'll see y'all again soon. Alright, y'all.